Hi everyone, today I will be presenting my corporate law assignment on the topic Memorandum of Association and Article of Association. These documents are the foundation of company law and are essential for the incorporation and functioning of the company. A company is an artificial legal person created under a Companies Act. For a company to be legally incorporated, certain documents must be filed with the registrar of the companies. Among these documents, the two most important are the Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. Memorandum of Association, also called MOA, is the charter document of the company. It defines the scope of activities of the company and sets out the limits beyond which the company can't operate. It primarily governs the relationship between the company and external parties. The Memorandum of Association contains 6 important clauses. These are the Name Clause, Registered Office Clause, Object Clause, Liability Clause, Object Clause, and the Association Clause. Let us understand each one briefly. The Name Clause specifies the legal name of the company. The Registered Office Clause mentions the state in which the company is registered. The Object Clause is very important because it defines the business activities of the company. The Liability Clause explains whether the liability of the members is limited or unlimited. The Capital Clause mentions the authorized share capital of the company. Finally, the Association Clause contains the declaration by subscribers that they agree to form the company. The MOA is important because it defines the powers of the company. It protects the shareholders and investors by ensuring that the company funds are used only for authorized objectives. Any act beyond the object clause is called an ultra-vires act and is void. The Articles of Association or AOA is the internal rule book of the company. It governs the internal management and regulates the rights and duties of the members, the directors, and the officers. Unlike MOA, it deals with internal matters. The AOA contains provisions related to share capital, transfer of shares, conduct of meetings, voting rights, appointment of director, declaration of dividends, and the borrowing powers. It provides detailed rules for the day-to-day management of the company. The main difference between MOA and AOA is that MOA defines the scope of the company's activities, while AOA provides rules for managing those activities. MOA is supreme, and AOA must not contradict it. To conclude, the Memorandum of Association defines the powers and objectives of the company, while Articles of Association regulates its internal management. Both documents are essential for incorporation and form the foundation of corporate governance.